Deep within the bay, the future of naval power takes shape. A testament to human ingenuity, the sensors record microscopic deformation, visible here on the spiking red line.
Lower it slowly, watch the starboard side. Easy now, bring it down 5 millimeters.
Everything begins with raw materials taken from distant mines. Carried by trains to this factory, they are shaped, transformed, and become a power built for the depths of the sea.
The measurement is precise.
Confirmed. The curvature matches the specifications.
Once the robots complete the initial bending, our technicians use laser scanners to verify the geometry against the digital twin.
Is the plumbing connected yet?
First,
Almost done.
habitability
5
systems are
meters out.
produced seating, bunks, kitchen, and hygiene equipment. The main skeleton is built afterward. Once the hull is complete, these elements are brought inside and installed.
Laser alignment on frame 42. Looks good from here, holding steady.
Aligning section Gamma 7.
Confirmed alignment. Proceed.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Lower the beam. Easy now, easy. Lock it in. All teams report to the armored section.
Okay, lower it 5 centimeters. Easy now.
Copy that. Coming down slowly.
Hold it right there. Clearance is tight on the starboard side.
All right, bring it down steady.
We're secured. Start the next lift. Easy now, easy. Set it down gently.
Confirmed. Plate is secure.
Push it hard right. Signal the crane to stop. We are seated. Secure the deck. Lower it steady. Watch the clearance. Oh, we're set here. Thumbs up to the crane. Hold it there, a little more to the left. Alignment looks good. It's tight. Hold it right there. We need another centimeter on the starboard side. Copy that. Adjusting now. It's aligned.
The final sections are lowered into place, a testament to the precision engineering required.
All right, everyone, steady. Lowering now. Clear on this side. Confirmed alignment, proceeding with locking sequence.
While the outer skeleton is still under construction, The submarine's core engine is built in parallel on a separate production line. This allows the engine to be ready for installation once the hull is complete.
Torque sequence initiated. Move to Station 3.
Confirmed. Final bolts secure.
Hold descent at 2 meters. Adjust starboard slightly.
Easy now.
Confirm seating, lower complete.
Hold it there. Slowly lower on my mark. Steady, steady.
Hold it there. We need another shim on the port side.
Okay, easy now. Set her down.
It's locked in. Get the wrenches.
Bay is clear. Thumbs up on Sector 4.
Copy that.
Engaging clamps.
During this process, not only the engine, but also the propeller, piping, and many metal components are produced in parallel on separate lines and prepared for assembly. The propeller must be installed with extreme care, as even a minor alignment error can cause vibration, efficiency loss, and serious mechanical issues.
It's secure.
All right, moving to the next one.
This seam needs reevaluation before sign-off.
All right, I've marked it on the schematic. Good catch.
The synchronized precision of the robotic arms ensures the integrity of the pressure hull, a critical phase in the construction of the vessel.
During interior assembly, all systems are installed within tight and confined spaces. For this reason, every component must be mounted in the correct order and with high precision to ensure a safe and organized internal structure.
We are on schedule for the port side, but the starboard alignment needs adjustment.
Understood. I'll deploy the team immediately. Easy, easy. Watch the port side clearance. Lower away. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Clear.
Set it down slow. Watch the cables on the left. Clear. Bring the hose through. This panel is spotless. Check the flange indicator on the right.
It's within tolerance, but close to the limit.
Adjust lever 4 just a hair. Align the optical input now.
Torquing sequence initiated on panel 7.
Clearances look good on the captain's chair. Set the cradle down easy. We need more slack on this cable run. We need that panel aligned perfectly. The tolerances are tight here.
Understood. We are checking the laser alignment now.
Okay, bring it through the bulkhead now.
Clear on this side.
Keep it steady, almost there.
After the water tank is installed inside the submarine, it is secured and filled for testing. This tank has a capacity of approximately 10 to 15 tons of water to support long-duration missions.
Steady now, watch the clearance on the left.
Looks good. Keep it coming slowly.
Convoy B, you are clear for approach vector Gamma.
Acknowledged. Proceeding to the transfer point.
A little to the left, slowly now. Clear on this side, keep coming. Watch the starboard side. Clear on the left, keep it coming slowly. Just a few more inches.
Give it a stress test.
Stable. We're clear for the next unit. Watch the clearance on the left. Okay, easy now. Keep it coming down slow.
This weld looks solid. We can sign off on this section.
Copy that. Finalizing the report now.
Applied with painstaking precision, this industrial-grade silicone is vital for maintaining the hull's integrity against the deep-sea environment.
Crane engaging in sector Gamma. All personnel confirm clearance.
Confirmed. We are clear.
The pressure looks consistent on this section.
Good coverage. Let's move to the aft stabilizers next.
After manufacturing and assembly are complete, the final stage is painting. The structure is coated with special protective layers that shield it from external conditions and prepare it for use.
Hull section is stable. Continue descent.
Approaching alignment point, slowing to 5%.
Readings confirmed. Green status across the board. All stations, commence lowering sequence. Descent looks good.
Confirmed. Steady as she goes.
Captain, the vessel is complete and certified, ready for sea.
Thank you. We officially accept delivery on behalf of the Naval Authority.
Reading stable on the aft seam.
Copy that. Moving to the starboard stabilizer now.
Watch the sweeper coming through. All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Watch line 3. That housing unit is misaligned.
Already on it, adjusting the calibration now.
Once inspected, the rejected parts are fed into the preparation lines, where they are sorted before the final shredding process.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.